It's gonna be sweet, Michael. Michael, are you ready? Laklakin natin ito.
You're so sweet, Mommy.
It is so sweet.
It's too sour, Mommy.
It's sweet, anak.
Why too sour and sweet? I want sweet, Mommy. Taste vitamin D. Mommy, taste vitamin D. Okay, taste vitamin D. Mommy, taste vitamin D.
It's so sweet.
But taste vitamin D, Mommy. It's some water, Mommy. Water.
Just this one, anak.
Why is so sweet?
It's so sweet.
Water. Need water.
It's orange.
Mommy, it need water in the mouth.
I'm fine. Ayan, ubos na ang ating glucose tolerance test beverage. I hope, Michael, I'm not gonna vomit. You burp?
Yes.
Yeah, I hope mommy not gonna vomit.
Mama,
No more juice. Yes.
no sink.
No, I'm not gonna vomit. I'm gonna try not to vomit.
I'm going sink.
I'm vomiting the sink. I'm not gonna vomit. I'm gonna try. I hope I can pass.
Eyes. It's eyebrows.
Okay. Good luck.
One eternity later.
Right. Are you Anna? Yes. Perfect. Front back. On the arm.
1 minute left. Tapos na ako sa aking 1 hour glucose test. Good luck. Actually, hindi ako nasuka. Wala lang. Pasado. Pasado ulit. Hi guys! Tapos na ang aking 1 hour glucose test. And nakapasa ako. Hindi ako nagsuka. No vomit. No headache or anything. Nagkapasa ang nanay. Hindi ako diabetic. Yay! Yay! Ngayon ay kakain ako. Nag-fasting ako last night. And then today, oh see? Nakapasa. So far, okay naman. Okay na. Okay, so hahanap ako ng pagkain kasi nagugutom ako. Kasi walang kain-kain. Okay. I'm so happy! Pasado! Woo! So, ito yung kinuhaan ako ng dugo. Isa lang, isang tube, pero punong dugo. Last time sa first visit ko, kinuha nilang dugo sa akin ay 8 tube. 8 tubes. Now, isa lang. Para daw ito sa genetics. Okay. Genetics to check if the baby's fine.